Welcome to Student Impulse. First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. There is a job openings in Chennai for various positions. There is a job opening at GK Power Expertise Private Limited for office assistant. They are offering 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. Qualification required is plus 12 or any degree, roles and responsibilities, office work, logistics arrangement and material purchase, duties, billing, coordinations and office work. Freshers and experience also accepted. Only for male candidates. Chennai Manapakam is the job location. Looking for persons from nearby job location. Skills are computer and driving. It is a full-time job and it is a purely day shift. I have given here the address details. If you are suitable with this profile, you can go through it. Okay. There is a job opening at Daily Gong for equity dealer. Roles and responsibilities: acquire new clients to open demat account, meeting existing clients for enhancing client relationship, execute the orders on behalf of clients and operating stock trading terminals, confirmations of trade done by EOD, update client about their position, solving queries of the customers, accurate and timely execution of orders on terminal. Candidate must have NISM certificate, should be ready to do inside sales after market hours. Looking for immediate joiners. I have provided the website link here and Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad is the job location. Qualification any degree. Fresh graduates are 1 year experience is needed and number of positions are 5. I have given here address details. You can go through it once. Same company for the commodity dealer. Roles and responsibilities. Same roles and responsibilities are given here and I have provided the link here and the job location are Trichy, Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad and qualification any degree. Fresh graduates or 1 year experience candidates are needed. Number of positions are 6. I have provided the address details here. You can go through it once. Next, the company is same for website designer and number of vacancies are only one vacancy is here and Chennai is the job location and the qualification any degree. Fresh graduates or 1 year experience is needed. Number of positions 1. I have given the website link here. You can check company details and address all here and also I have given the address details here. Same company for the relationship officers. Achieving the business target assigned in terms of generating revenue, acquisition of clients, enhancing client relationship, client profiling, suggest financial products. I have given the website link to apply for this job and the job location is Chennai. Qualification any degree. Fresh graduates or 1 year experience candidates are needed. Number of positions are 30. I have given the address details here. You can check once. There is a job openings at Genit Shipping and Logistics Private Limited for accounts executive. They are offering 15,000 rupees per month. Company description: international freight forwarding. Job description is here: bookkeeping and entire accounts work. Full time, fresher and walk in. Job types. These are the job types. And I have already told you 15,000 per month salary offered. They are offering 15,000 rupees and I have provided the address details here, email ID and phone number also. You can go through it once. Okay, there is a job opening at uh, here okay, data tracks for associate document specialist and job location is Chennai and the education qualifications required is here any degree and freshers also eligible here and job description is you have minimum knowledge in MS Word. Okay, insert a table in MS Word, okay, alignment of paragraphs and text. These are all the job description. You can go through it once. Okay, I have provided the address details and email ID and phone numbers here. If you are suitable for this profile, associate document specialist, you can go through it. Same company for associate QC, and for freshers only eligible here, any bachelor degree, and job description is I in detail, proofread and quality check financial typeset documents, and complete with the styles requested by the client, extremely detail oriented, and good communication skills are required. JD means job description here. I have provided the address details and email ID and phone numbers. If you want, you can check here in the website I have provided. It's a job opening at Axis Consulting for account assistant. Okay, the skills required are basic accounting skills and knowledge on GST and TDS, billing and invoice, effective communication. Freshers also preferred. Full-time freshers are the job types. Experience 1 year are preferred. If you are if you have experience of 1 year, you can apply. Education required is a bachelor degree here required, and Chennai, Tamil Nadu preferred, and T Nagar is the job location. I have provided the address details here and phone number and email ID. You can go through it once if you are eligible. Okay, here Axis Consulting is the company. It is giving internship. Main objective is provide an opportunity in practical accounting to candidates seeking career in accounting. Key features: handle live business transactions and exposure to transactions of varied nature, theoretical and practical training, hand-holding to work in accounting software, monthly stipend is the key features, and required qualifications for this internship is third year undergraduate students with accounting as core subject, positive attitude and sincere, committed, undertakes the responsibility, willingness to learn. These are the qualifications, and benefits. Blend your academic knowledge to business requirements, learn the what is this nuances of business accounting, build your commercial acumen, handle statutory compliances like VAT, service tax, etc., provide performance reports to business, develop skills in accounting software and Excel, personality development, pursue placement opportunities with confidence. These are the benefits through the internship, and I have provided the address details here and the contact number and Gmail ID here, and you can go through it and go through this internship. It's a very important for the freshers and who are doing graduation, who are doing BTech, those students, you can utilize this one. Okay. Next, there is a job opening at the same company, Axis Consulting, for HR executive. Okay. These are the responsibilities: knowledge of administrative tasks and responsibilities, excellent verbal and written communication skills, advanced computer skills including data entry, data processing, communication tools, and payroll and human resources software, knowledge of payroll processing, problem solving skills, and resourceful thinking, attention to detail and analytically driven. Here the freshers also eligible. They have given 0 years of experience. MBA freshers are preferred, and full-time freshers are the job types. Okay, 1 year also, 1 year experience also eligible, and the education qualification is here masters. Okay, I have provided the address details and phone number and email ID. Okay, if you are eligible for this profile, you can go through it once. There is a job opening at R&D MFG. This is the company name, for office administrator. They are offering salaries 10,000 rupees per month, and they are looking for an administrative officer to join our team, to join their team and support their daily office procedures. A successful administrative officer will act as a point of contact for all employees, providing administrative support and managing their queries. Main duties include managing office stock, preparing regular reports, example expenses and office budgets, and organizing company records. These are the responsibilities. Manage office supplies stock and place orders. Prepare regular reports on expenses and office budgets. Maintain and update company databases. Organize a filing system for important confidential company documents. Answer queries by employees and clients. Update office policies as needed. Full time. They are offering 10,000 per month salary and experienced 1 year is preferable. Education required is bachelor degree, and these are the duties. What are the duties means here? Taking notes or dictation, handle billing, accounts, inventory, maintain files and records. And these are the duties they have provided, and I have provided the address details here and the phone number. Send an SMS through this phone number. Okay, you can go through it. Next, there is a job opening at GPR group of companies for walk-in fresher junior accounts executive. They are offering 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. They needed urgently, and fresher accounts and commerce background candidates can walk in. Maximum 0 to 2 years of experience is sufficient. Seniors are well experienced persons, please excuse. Tally ERP 9 and Excel exposure is must. Good communication English is needed. Walk-in address. This is the address details, and they are offering. They are giving a full-time job, and I have told already regarding salary, and it is a morning shift, and 1 year experience is preferred. Education qualification is bachelor degree. Here they are providing benefits, health insurance. They are providing benefits here. Industry type is installation and maintenance. Okay, I have provided the address details here, phone number and email ID. If you are eligible for this profile, you can go through it. You can check once. There is a job opening at Diamond Pick Private Limited for HR executive or recruiter. Introduction or job overview. We are looking for recruiters, both freshers and full cycle recruiting experienced candidates, from talent sourcing and attracting candidates to hiring great employees. Responsibilities and duties. Source and recruit candidates by using database, job portals, social media, etc. Perform job and tasks analysis to document job requirements and objectives. Prepare recruitment materials and post jobs to appropriate job boards. Screen candidates, resumes, and job application. Monitor and apply HR recruiting best practices. Requirements 0 to 3 years of experience is needed, and the job location is Chennai. Excellent communication skills are needed. About the Diamond Pick, this is the introduction of explanation of the company about Diamond Pick, and I have provided the address details here at Chennai. You can go through it. There is a job opening at Excreted Premedia Services Private Limited for software developer. Job description. We are looking for a software engineer or developer to join our cutting edge development team as it grows. We want someone who is comfortable asking why. The ideal candidate is a divergent thinker who understands industry best practices and has experience with multiple coding languages. They are a team player possessing strong analytical as well as technical skills and are able to communicate the logic behind technical decisions to non-tech stakeholders. They must be comfortable working in an agile environment and have the ability to take the wheel when necessary. JavaScript. Understand strong understanding of JavaScript, it quicks and workarounds. Basic understanding of webmark including HTML5 and CSS3. Good understanding of asynchronous request handling, partial page updates and AJAX. Proficient, proficient understanding of cross-browser compatibility issues and ways to work around such issues. Proficient understanding of code versioning tools such as Git. Good understanding of browser rendering behavior and performance. Node.js, strong proficiency with JavaScript and knowledge of Node.js and frameworks such as Express, understanding the nature of asynchronous programming and it quicks and workarounds, basic understanding of front-end technologies such as HTML5 and CSS3, understanding accessibility and security compliance, and user authentication between multiple systems, servers, and environments. Integration of multiple data sources and databases into one system. Understanding fundamental design principles behind a scalable application. Understanding difference between multiple delivery platforms such as mobile versus desktop and optimizing output to match the specific platform. Creating database schemes that represent and support business process, implementing automated testing platforms and unit tests, proficient understanding of code versioning tools such as Git, and requirements, skills and qualifications. A bachelor's degree in software engineering or information technology, that is IT, a through understanding of computer architecture, operating systems, and data structures. Extensive experience with Java, Python, CPP, and other programming languages, as in depth understanding of HTML5 and CSS3 and JavaScript. Experience working with the Linux or Unix or shell scripts. The ability to analyze complex technical information. Comfortability designing and implementing database structures to solve real world problems effectively. An awareness of current issues affecting the industry and its technologies. A meticulous and organized approach to work. A logical, analytical, and creative approach to problem solving. A thorough and detail oriented work style. These are the skills and qualifications required, and I have provided the address details here, and I have provided the Gmail ID also. You can go through it once. There is a job opening at a previous company, that is Excreator Premedia Services Private Limited, for software engineer or trainee. Job description. Job description is the same as before, and the responsibilities are analyze user requirements, write and test code to ensure compatibility and stability, refine and rewrite as necessary, work closely with project managers, UX designers, other developers, systems analysts, graphic artists, and sales and marketing professionals. Design and implementation of low latency, high availability, and performant applications. Understand business objectives and develop ML models that help to achieve them, along with metrics to track their progress. Analyzing ML algorithms that could be used to solve a given problem and ranking them by their success probability. Should be flexible to work on a variety of programming languages like Node.js, Java, Python, etc., and on XML technologies like XSLT, XML pipelines, etc. These are the responsibilities, and I have provided the address details here. You can go through it once. Okay. Next, also there is a job opening at the same company for software engineer or intern, and this is the job description. Same job description, I think so. Okay, same, and the responsibilities are somewhat different, and analyze user requirements. Same, these are same, and some of the changes are there. Design and implementation of low latency, high availability, and performant applications. Responsibilities are somewhat same like before. Okay, if you are interested, you can go through it once. Okay, I have provided the address details here. Okay, I have given mail ID also. You can go through it once. if you are eligible for this profile. Okay. Next, there is a job opening at okay, same company for admin executive, and this is the job description. We are looking for a master multitasker with excellent communication skills and an upbeat attitude. Candidates should be able to assist the management by handling office tasks, providing polite and professional assistance via phone, email, and generally being a helpful and positive presence in the workplace. To be successful as a junior admin executive, the preferred candidate should be a self motivated, quick learner who can understand and utilize the various technologies provided by the organization to derive the solution. They should always be prepared and responsive, willing to meet each challenge directly. Candidate must be comfortable with computers, general office tasks, and excel at both verbal and written communication. These are the responsibilities needed. Handling office tasks such as filling, generating reports and presentations, sitting up for meetings and reordering supplies, to generate requested reports or to assist for the same. Maintain polite and professional communication via email to the clients of as well. Anticipate the needs of the organization to ensure its seamless and positive experience. These are the responsibilities and these are the requirements. UG degree, freshers are experienced 0 to 2 years, and excellent communication and interpersonal skills and knowledge of MS Office. In that word, Excel and PPT. Knowledge is must, and these are the requirements. I have provided the address details here. You can go through it once. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like the information, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. And if you have any queries or questions, please comment in the comment section.